Grayson. Grayson's at the gym. Grayson! Yay! Hey, it's your first time at the gym. Wow! What do you think, buddy? Yeah, Finnegan gave you this gym. Wow! Get it! Get it! Get it, Finnegan! I mean, Grayson? Why did I call you Finnegan? Get it! Look at that! Oh! Look at that gym. That's an awesome gym. Yeah. What's that? What's that? You see the baby? That's you. That's you. See? It's got his reflection. Grayson, looking in the mirror. Pretty cool. Good boy. Yeah. Get it. Grab it. Look. Look. Yeah, look at all this cool stuff in the gym. Oh boy. Get it. Get it. Oh. How exciting. Today is Grayson. He is 5 weeks old today. And he's going to the gym. And Mommy will go to the gym pretty soon too. Because we've got to get in shape. Right, baby? Right.